phone right now because it's only 64 gigabyte and change it for the 256 gigabyte and then pay the difference. And I got just swapped the cell phone for the 64 gig to 256 gigabyte. I'm at the, what is it, Temecula Mall. This is kind of weird. Has an outdoor and then an indoor. Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this is the Apple iPhone 10s Max. This one is the unlocked version. It support GSM CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, and then LTE. So the display is a Super AMOLED capacitive touch screen with the 16 million colors, 6.5 inch 1242 by 2688 pixels. It has a 458 ppi density. It has a scratch resistant glass coating on there with the offer the 3D touch display and true tone display, and then 120 hertz touch sensing. It has an iOS 12 with the Apple A12 Bionic. This is a hexa-core 2-time Vortex plus 4 times Tempest. Apple GPU 4-core graphics. And then has a 4 gigabyte of RAM, and the rear camera is a 12 megapixel with the one of the f aperture 1.8 28 millimeter wide angle, and it has optical image stabilization. And then the second one has a f aperture 2.4 52 millimeter with the telephoto. And that one's also optical image stabilization with the 2-time optical zoom. And then the video, you can record 2160p at the 24, 30, or 60 frames per second, or the 1080p at the 30, 60, or 120 or 240 frames per second. Offer HDR stereo sound recording. The front-facing camera is 7 megapixel with the aperture 2.2 32 millimeter standard. This one is there's no optical image stabilization, and also offer HDR. And then you can record 1080p at 60 frames per second. It has a Bluetooth 5.0 Wi-Fi support. 802.11 A, B, C, G, N, and then the AC band. Dual band also support hotspot. So has a Face ID. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Oh, and it has a non-removable lithium-ion battery, 3174 milliamp, which is I think it's kind of small. A lot of manufacturers, they go up to like 3500 to 4000 milliamp. So I'm not sure why Apple is holding back on the battery, the size. And it has 3 colors: space gray, silver, and then gold color. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I got the 64 at the beginning, and then I had to drive all the way down to Temecula Promenade in order to exchange the 64 to 256 gigabyte. Because unfortunately, the 264 gigabyte is too small for my wife. She has 128 gigabyte, and then I tried to back up and transfer the files to a new phone. It is too small, so decided to get her a bigger one. So. And I had to pay about $163 difference, so damn. So originally the first one is almost $1,200 plus this one $160 something. So I spent about $1,363 for this phone. Okay. So it has come with this nice shopping bag. You get it at the store. Nice rope, and then the staff of the Apple genius, he took out my old screen protector and put in this nice clear Ziploc, which is nice of him. He has one of those plastic tool to pry out to get that off. Hopefully it's not going to have any bubble or lint. And then I have my old case that I bought for the new iPhone. So let's go ahead and get this started. This is the iPhone XS Max. Give you guys a 360 view real quick. Let's see. And this is the 256 gigabyte storage. All right. So this will be the second unboxing, but this one is the 256 gigabyte. So pull this tab open. And there you go. Let's check it out. Designed by Apple in California. And then again, you got this hello, welcome guy. Okay. So if you have an iPhone 10, you know, everything should be the same. And then this is the SIM removable tool. You press that, and then your SIM card tray will be ejected. This time around, they support dual SIM. One is the nano SIM, and then the second one is the eSIM. Go ahead and this is another iPhone user guide, safety and handling, batteries. I gotta give you guys heads up real quick. They come with this two of this Apple logo stickers. Okay. The reason I want to bring this up is that I was using my Samsung wireless Qi charging pad, the mini one. With this case on there, it works. But after I think like 30 minutes later, this thing got so hot, and when I touch it, it's like burning me. Like seems like I was like sitting on the stove or something. It gets so hot. So I'm gonna test out this wireless charging on my Samsung again without using this case and see if it gets very hot or not. Okay, so here you go. I'm not going to remove this until I try to put this screen protector in. Else you see there's a lint already. Okay. And then the problem is this Apple, they don't give you a fast charging. The iPhone 10 and 10s, 10s Max, it has a fast charging capability, but unfortunately, this is a 5 volt, only 1 amp. You want to get like a 2.1 amp or higher to support the fast charging. And this is the earpiece or earbud that come with it, Lightning port, and come with this micro USB with the Lightning port charging cable. And unfortunately, they took away the adapter for the 3.5 millimeter jack. They want to make more money by removing more accessory of your premium iPhone that you spend like more than $1,000 for this phone. So here is the color, gold. There is your SIM card tray right here, your power sleep button right there. And then this is a stainless steel frame. The mid frame is stainless steel, so it is quite heavy compared to the aluminum. If you have a previous iPhone 8 or 8 Plus or 7 Plus or 6 or 6 Plus, when you hold this, you will get heavy. Okay, so just to give you guys a heads up on that. So let's go ahead and try to put this screen on there and see if it's gonna work or not. I'm not sure it's gonna work. Hopefully the old one doesn't have any length. I'm just going to tear off later on, so it's easier for me to take it off on that zip bag. So let's go ahead and try to remove this on the backing first. Oh, by the way, if you have Apple Care, they're going to charge you $199 for 2 years of Apple Care. And in case you break the screen, they charge you $29. Or in case your whole phone is messed up, either break on the back or replace the whole phone, it is $99. And if you have insurance, that's about $299 for the first 2 years. And then it replace it at least about 260 something bucks. That's what it told me. So let's go. I'll rip this apart then. I don't know. Ay, ay, ay. All right, so yeah, I guess it fits fine. And put it into this case again. Shoot. Alright, so I need to set it up, and please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, guys. Like always, peace.